This is the secret to getting your floors so shiny that even your neighbors will envy them. Start with a large mop bucket and pour in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. Now add half a cup of baking soda. Next, pour in 2 cups of isopropyl alcohol. It cuts through greasy residue and evaporates quickly, helping the floor dry with fewer streaks. And finally, add 1 capful of fabric softener. It leaves behind a fresh scent and gives the floor a smooth, polished finish. Mix everything together until well combined. Now soak your mop in the solution and wring it out really well. You want it damp, not dripping wet. Mop the floor as usual, working section by section. As the solution dries, it lifts away everyday grime and residue without leaving that cloudy look behind. And that's when you'll really see the difference. A cleaner, brighter floor with fewer streaks and a fresh scent throughout the room.